Hello, everyone. Welcome to our piano lesson series. Today, we will be discussing the naming of the white keys on the piano keyboard. Yeah. Understanding the basics of the piano keyboard is very essential for anyone who wants to learn how to play the piano. So, the piano basically consists of both blacks and white keys. The white keys are named after the first seven letters of the alphabet. That is A, B, C, D, E, F, and G. The letters, these letters represent the musical notes that we use in music. Starting from the left, we have two black keys that have been grouped together. Three black keys that have been grouped together. So the keyboard has these groups scattered across. Two blacks, three blacks, two blacks, three blacks, two blacks, three blacks. The two blacks are grouped, three blacks are grouped, two blacks are grouped, three blacks are grouped. Right. Okay. So now when we take the first two blacks that have been grouped, the letter, the white note that comes right before that is called C. Right? C. So once we locate C, we can start counting alphabetically. C, D, E, F, J, A, B, C. And the cycle continues. C, D, E, F, J, A, B, C. And it keeps repeating itself over and over again. It's very important to note that the white keys are referred to as natural keys. This is because they represent natural notes in the music scale. These notes are called natural again because they do not have any sharp or flat associated with them, right? So C natural, F natural, G natural, no sharp, no flat attached to it. Do you understand? All right. So how do you locate C? Two blacks, white key that comes before C. How do we locate F? Take the group of three black, the notes that comes before F. This is kind of some shortcuts to locate these notes faster. So F, C, right? So if you are able to locate F, you can easily locate the rest of them because from F, we go to G. Now note, the alphabets are the first seven. A, B, C, D, E. Sorry. They are the first seven letters. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. There's no H, there's no I. So when you get to G, it starts again. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Alright. So to summarize, the white keys on the piano keyboard are named after the first seven letters of the alphabet. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. They represent the natural notes of the music scale and do not have any sharp or flat associated with them. Do you understand? So understanding the basic of the piano keyboard is very essential for anyone who wants to learn how to play the piano. All right. Thank you very much for watching this lesson on naming the white keys of the piano keyboard. We hope this has been very helpful and we are looking forward to seeing you in the next lesson. So until then, it's bye for now.